Not only is mint delicious and easy to grow, but it is also a natural insect repellent. Mint's strong aroma and essential oils help to keep away pests like mosquitoes, ants, and flies. They cannot stand the scent of the plant. Mint has been used for thousands of years for different purposes. The ancient Greeks and Romans used it as a mouth freshener and a medicinal herb to treat various ailments. Did you know that the ancient Greeks used to rub mint leaves on their arms and tables to attract guests for banquets? Mint can also be used as a natural water purifier. Its natural oils can kill harmful bacteria found in water. If you ever find yourself in a situation where you don't have access to clean water, you can add a few mint leaves to it to purify it. Mint contains essential oils like menthol and eucalyptus that have various health benefits. They can help to reduce nausea, headaches, and even improve digestion. Mint tea can also provide a soothing effect on the body during times of stress and anxiety. Mint is one of the most commonly grown herbs in home gardens. With its refreshing fragrance and taste, it has been used for centuries in foods, beverages, and medicinal purposes. But did you know that it has some fantastic properties that you never imagined? Let's take a closer look.